Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to each and everyone out there. All my viewers and subscribers. A Merry Christmas. When I say, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, have a little shiny nose. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. My viewers and subscribers, it's been a wonderful year. It's been a beautiful year with each and every one of you. Today is Christmas Day. Go out. Have fun with your family. Eat, drink, do whatever you want to do with your family and friends. Have a beautiful, a wonderful day. And remember, think about the people who don't have it. If you have more than one plate, give it to someone. Share it to someone. And to all of the people who don't have it like they used to have it, remember, there will be another day. There is another Christmas. Many more Christmas. So, on the behalf of me, myself, and I, Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV, and my beautiful subscribers and my beautiful, wonderful viewers, enough respect, Merry Christmas, and you don't know, a Happy New Year when it comes. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, have a little shiny nose. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Let me say, a Merry Christmas to you. Peace and love. Stay blessed. I'm out. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to each and everyone out there. All my viewers and subscribers.